Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to draw princess, easy. Write UHW. Now I am drawing her face by using letter U. I am drawing her eyes now. Now I am drawing her small nose and lips. It's time to draw her eyebrows. After that, now it's time to draw her crown because she is a princess. I am drawing the details on his crown. Let's draw her body now. Use letter H as her upper area of body. I am adding details to her dress. Now I am drawing the remaining area of her dress by using letter W. Add some details to her dress. Now let's draw her arms. I am drawing her necklace now. Now I am drawing her hair. Now it's time to color the princess. You can use any kind of color you want, but I am using these colors. I am coloring her hair red because this color is looking pretty cool on her. So guys, I know you all knows about Disney princess, so tell me, which Disney princess is your favorite in the comment section? If you guys have any question, then comment below. And tell me in the comment section guys, what should I draw in my next video? If you guys are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon and select all.